we're in the Baxter Springs, Kansas Historical Museum. I was driving by and look at all these cars. So I thought I'd get them real quick. So it's something you see every day. Wow. Look at that. They're so nice. Just off of Route 66. Look at this one. Unusual. Very unusual. Look at that. Tons of them. Victoria. They're so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, that's a Falcon? Or the Fairlane. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. I want one of each. That's a Victoria. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the hat. They're all Crown Victorias. Fairlane. Oh, they're all Fairlanes. They're all like the same car. Took me a minute to figure that out. This is Ford country. Now, is that a Fairlane? That's a Ford. Wow. Look at that. Oh, they're all so gorgeous. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the hood ornaments. '55. So I'm guessing 1955. Look at that. And even on this side. Ford Fairlane. This one. Ah, yeah. Goodness. So look at their mirrors. Are those mirrors? So that must be a newer one. I'll take one of each. Oh my goodness, I about had an accident driving by. Look at these cars.
They're gorgeous, aren't they?
Oh my goodness. Look at the color on that. Wow. The little mirrors. All Ford Fairlanes. It's September 26, 2025. Wow, look at that. They're all like, if I had to pick one, I don't think I could. I don't think I could pick one. I really don't. My goodness. Sunliner. Oh, thank a vet. It's a veteran's car. Thank you for your service, sir, for our country and for bringing such beauty around. 1956 Ford Custom Line 4-door sedan. That's what this is. Look at those tires. They're so clean. Wow. And then we have a Ford right there. Alright, well, we better go. Have some things. Look at, I like the tire on the back. Look at that. Everything was better back then. Their houses, their cars. They just took more care. Alright, well, I don't even want to leave, but at some point, look at the headlights. Look at the headlights are. Yeah. Fairlane Victoria. Ford Fairlane Victoria. Alright, yeah, look at that back seat. It's nice. There's a Ford Bronco. There's a Land Rover. It has one of those tires on the back. Yeah, very nice. This is Fairlane Overdrive. So nice. It's like metal. I don't know. I think this pink and black one. And look at the tailpipes. Just love them all. Oh, look at the steering wheel. I need one of these. That's it. I need a Ford Fairlane. They're all so nice. There's somebody waiting for me in the car. See the little dice. That's my favorite one. I don't know. I do like this one, the station wagon look. So what is this one? It's a Ford. This is a Fairlane too? What's that little guy doing there? Stink bug. Country Squire. Wow, look at that. The wood on the side. Oh, look at that. The Thunderbird. Ford Fairlane. Oh, I like this pink one. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, I don't know. I like this green one too. They're all so nice. Look at that. Just look at that steering wheel. From Nebraska, 1956. They're just so gorgeous. They all must have their own garages because they're just so... See, look at the wheels. The tires, like the all white. Seats. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ford Fairlane. Ford-O-Matic. what that one says. Nice. So we've seen that because of the hat. We've seen them all, but my goodness. Wow, they're so much nicer back then, weren't they?
Oh yeah, it's style.
Oh my gosh, yes. This one's gorgeous. Look at that. That looks like the original seats.
There's another one on this side of the van.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. I wonder what this is. Look at the window there, that little... What is that thing? This cute little... Wow, that's something. That. Very nice. Okay. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. If they said I could take one, I just don't know. Maybe I'll take this one. That would be nice, right? Happy birthday! Oh, wow. It's so clean. All right, so what was that? That's a... Wow. Park Lane. They're all Fords. Most of them Fairlane. All right. Oh, we didn't look at these up close. Let's see this one. This is the most natural. It looks like natural paint on this one. And the interior. Yeah, this is... Wow. 1950s Ford. These Fairlanes. Wow. What's that say? Club Sedan. They're all so nice. And nobody's out here, so I'm not for sure. They're probably doing a Route 66 tour is what I'm thinking. Now that has some new seats in that one. That steering wheel. Okay. Oklahoma. There's that. This tire. All right, well, okay, I'm gonna take the green one. That's the one I want. I don't know though. I like that blue one with the wood. What a nice display. How lucky I am to be able to run across this. All right, well, we're right off of Route 66, Baxter Springs, Kansas, at the Historical Museum. And there we are, a nice surprise. A tour of some 1950s cars. Let's see if I can. September 26, 2025, Friday. Oh, it'd be nice to have one of those. And a garage to keep one in. I'll take both, so anybody want to send me one? Nice. Okay, the green one. I do like the green. It's such an unusual color. And I like that old green jadeite kitchenware, so I'll take that one. And that one, and that one, and that one. All right. Baxter Springs Museum.